0, and now look around it. In order for it to be a maximum, f prime is 0.
What the x value is?
And the derivatives on this side are what?
Positive.
Positive, and the derivatives on this side?
Negative.
Negative. This one is a minimum. So f prime is 0, and it goes from negatives to positives.
Wow.
Skadoosh. Yes.
Okay, Kung Fu Panda is bad.
All right. So f of x has a relative max if f prime of x equals 0. I should say a. F prime of a equals 0, and f prime of x changes from positive to negative. Yes. F prime is an apostrophe. F of x has a relative minimum if f prime of a equals 0 and f prime of x changes from negative to positive.
I did a weird f of x. I didn't.
It's okay.
But that ain't right. F of
Today's only Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay, so in calculus, you have to do things like 4 different ways. You have to be able to do them graphically, which we just did.
Table.
You have to be able to do it numerically, which is a table. Quit rolling your eyes, Ashley.
What's over here, bad thing?
You have to be able to do it analytically, which is like the equation.
Yes.
And then the 4th one is conceptually, meaning you kind of have to understand it as a whole. And that's usually when we tie everything together at the end. What are you doing?
Plugging her ears so she doesn't have to hear what you're saying.
Out with a calculator.
That is all still, that could be any 4 of those.
We all agree that no one likes tables.
Okay, so estimation of the derivative. If you have a table, oh my God, shut up. If you have a table and you're trying to find the estimation of a derivative around a point, for example, this 0.
Yes.
What you would do is you would use the point to the left and the point to the right to approximate the derivative.
Where the heck is 4? Griffin? No. The
So
4
that's
on
a
the
minimum.
table is a negative and a negative. Where is that? Where are you talking
That's a
about?
minimum.
Is it a minimum?
Yeah,
Anyways,
negative
Sorry,
on
I'm
the
weird.
So the derivative is also, what's the word we should always think of when we think of derivative?
Slope of
Slope.
tangents.
Yes, slope of tangency, yes. Derivative, slope, derivative. So we are going to use these 2 points and find the slope. There's x1, y1. There's x2, y2.
N is equal to y2 minus 4.
If that was English, I didn't catch it.
I didn't either.
So f prime of 0 is approximately
I'm just repeating how to find slope.
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Oh.
Which it doesn't matter if you have those flipped around as long as you have them both flipped around.
I'm going to do plus 3.
Yes,
See, I don't know what that dot is, but I think it's a negative.
that is a negative. So it's a negative 5 over 4. So that is my approximation of the derivative at 0.
It is. Give me a second. I'm going to answer it.
Okay.
It's decreasing.
Why is it decreasing?
It's less than 0.
Yeah, because it's negative. If the slope is negative, it's decreasing, which means the graph is falling.
It's a minimum.
So the equation, pot and sot. What's the point?
0 or 1.
0, 1.
0 or 1.
What's sot?
Negative 5/4.
Negative 5/4.
So
So it's
it's y minus 1 equals negative 5/4. X plus 0. Yeah.
or minus 0, yes. Either way.
Why would you put negative?
Well, we always put minus.
Oh, sorry.
It's y minus y1, but plus would have
plus
worked.
0, and I said, why would you have a negative 0? I see that.
Oh, I see
That's
what
what
you're
I was
saying.
thinking, so I just said plus. But I guess that is what.
Okay, so let's
Get a little bit rowdy.
We already are rowdy.
look at the last one.
Look at 4. Where's 4?
Oh, okay, let's look at 4.
It's a minimum, I think.
4 is right here. So I look at this side and this side, right?
Yeah.
So that point and that
Why
point.
did you jump to 4 so far? Where the heck is 4?
Where is 4? What?
It's at 0. I know, but it's negative, and there's a 0.
Okay, so I would do, looking around the 4, f prime of 4 is approximately negative 7 minus negative 3
Plus 3.
over 4 minus 0.
So, negative 4 over 4. So, I understood it. Negative 1?
Negative 1. So it is
Decreasing.
decreasing.
Wait, why did we use
4
that point?
Which point?
Like
Do we use 6
4.
minus 1? Because I felt like it.
Oh, I don't know. I'm sorry.
Okay. We
Why
weren't
did I
supposed to
use that point?
I don't know. Me either.
Oh, wait a minute.
Cool.
Was the first one messed
No,
up?
I used negative 7 minus negative 3. And, it should have been 6 minus 0. Oh,
So we
crap.
did 6 minus 1 way.
I'm sorry. I just wrote it down. Yeah, I think I was looking at a different problem.
Wait,
We did the first one the same way. We just messed
we
it up.
did.
We did?
Yeah, we did the 2 last times.
Harvey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to y'all too, but I'm really sorry to Harvey.
Oh,
Oh, the entire thing. I think this one.
No, I think you can just fix it. I'm just going to do it because I'm ticked off at myself.
I think it's correct.
so we have.
Oh, you think it was correct?
Well, we didn't do the point. We just went around that point.
Okay. So it's 3 this one was right.
It was?
Bruh,
Yes.
Yeah.
You just had me erase it all.
Uh-huh.
You erased it all.
Halfway.
Wait, the top or the bottom one was right.
Top.
Now they're both right. Never mind, Harvey. We're good.
You probably just made him erase it all too.
If I'm Harvey, I would scroll through and switch to start writing again. So there's that. Yeah, I'd wait a few minutes and see if she realized if she messed up or not, and then I'd.
Well, that's what I get for listening to y'all.
Well, I didn't tell you it was wrong. It was Daniel.
No, she was the one who highlighted it. I didn't even answer anything.
No, I did mess up here. For some reason, I don't know why I used that point in it. I should have used the other point, but.
And in my case, I said I think. Oh wait, is this
Maybe move to the lead approximately negative.
Approximately -1? Is that what you said?
Yeah, you
If
need
you
to
needed to erase it.
Oh, yeah, because that was the other one. Yeah, just kidding.
This one does one is that the slope's gonna be the same in all of them, right? Because the one before was.
No, the one before was -5/4.
Oh whoa, that's different. That's weird. Oh my god.
Okay, y'all do 6.
No, you.
No, you.
I'm scared. Okay. Why did they do that? Why did they do that? That is. I'm looking over here. I don't like that either.
What did you say?
You're not welcome here. You're not welcome here. You're welcome here. Not on the council. Oh.
Don't do that.
Why
Yeah.
can't I do that? I said he's welcome.
Y'all, work.
So we use the points around it.
Yeah, the point's right next to it.
Okay.
So you use the y's first. So 2 minus 0, and then over 10 minus 4, you should have gotten 1/3.
I did.
I did.
Oh, I didn't simplify it. I was
Okay.
yeah, I got negative
So
2
if
over
it's
6.
positive,
I got 1/3.
Then it would be
increase.
increasing.
Wait,
What
is
if
it
it's
positive or
negative?
negative?
It was negative, it's
Positive.
decreasing. It was positive.
It's 2 minus 0 over 10 minus 2.
Okay, we'll pick up there tomorrow. Make sure you're working on the homework.
I will try. I got paid today.
Yay!
I woke up and so I have no